If you are looking for a reliable savings option from Lloyds Bank, the most practical choice right now is the Lloyds Easy Saver account. This account is designed for people who want flexibility, security, and steady interest without complicated conditions. It works well for short to medium-term savings and everyday money management. The Lloyds Easy Saver allows you to open an account with as little as $1, making it accessible to almost anyone. You can add money at any time and withdraw whenever you need without penalties. This makes it ideal for emergency funds, planned expenses, or simply keeping cash safe while earning interest. The interest is calculated daily and paid monthly, so your balance grows consistently as long as funds remain in the account. There are no monthly maintenance fees, which means every dollar you deposit works directly toward your savings goal. The account can be managed fully online through the Lloyds mobile app or internet banking, giving you full control over transfers, deposits, and withdrawals. You can also link it easily to a Lloyds current account for smooth money movement. For savers who prefer a bit more structure, Lloyds also offers the monthly saver. This option suits people who want to save regularly. You can deposit up to $500 each month, and the interest rate is higher compared to standard easy access savings. This account rewards consistency and is ideal for disciplined savers building funds over time. Both accounts are backed by Lloyd's strong banking reputation and high security standards. Your money is protected, transactions are monitored, and customer support is readily available if needed. Choosing the best Lloyds savings account depends on how you save. If you want freedom and instant access, the Easy Saver stands out. If you want higher returns through regular deposits, the monthly saver delivers better value while keeping your savings secure and growing steadily.